Hey y'all, what's up? Happy Friday. Yeah, I am currently I'm outside of Walmart. I'm about to go in here and see if I can find Devin like a birthday cake. Yeah, I know his birthday next week, so I'm gonna see if I can find something. If I do, it is not gonna be too big because we are not having a excuse me, we're not having a birthday party for him. It's just gonna be us like it always be, which is okay, as long as he happy, you know. But we about to go in this Walmart and I gotta pick up a couple of more things before work, so I'm running late today for work. They'll be all right, they'll understand. Okay, you're not gonna get it.
Mom, that's yours.
This yours.
No, it's not.
This yours. Her, Delisha.
Why are you recording?
See what kind this is. I'm just playing. I want her.
Let me open it for you.
Nah. Guess you asked so many questions.
Where's yours?
Is that the one?
Which one?
The one you want?
Yeah. You bought me this?
Yeah.
Don't start
You happy?
Yeah.
It's this girl on Facebook. So she was selling these for like $15. Like, this is not a dupe. This is the real deal. So I went on and got the Delisha one. But I got one myself. But I don't think it's the same number because mine's a little lighter. I actually was trying to get that one for you. Here. Yeah.
Mom,
Put it on your lips. Let me see it. Put it on your lips. Let me see it. Hey, put it on your lips. Let me see it. Huh?
you could at least let me do my edges.
Let me see it, boo.
It's right here.
I'm put it on your lips. To make some rice. I got my chicken over here, already cooking. I use this rice, and I get this rice from Aldi's, y'all. So, and what I do is I season it with onion powder, pepper, and then some Lawry seasoning salt. I do not add garlic or anything. I'm trying to see what else I use. Oh, and I also have to have my sesame seed oil, and then I also put a little soy sauce in it. So yeah, so that's how I make my rice. I'm gonna make it and I'm gonna show you how it come out. I do add onions. You can add whatever you want into your fried rice. I should have got some shrimp, but I ain't got no shrimp money today. So yeah, I'm gonna show y'all how it turn out when it's done. All right, y'all. I am done with the rice. I added everything in. Only thing I didn't have is some green onions, but y'all can see how the rice is looking. Girl, let me see.
Let me fix it up here.
This about the only thing she
Mom, it's not funny.
Okay, and a hot dog. That's it. But anyway, y'all, Delisha ended up making her a, what is it called?
I don't know.
You don't know what it is?
Fruit platter, I guess.
I have no idea. I guess it's what, parfait? Yeah, so La ended up making her she said a fruit platter or whatever. So she got yogurt, granola, grapes, strawberry, and apples. Yeah, we got all this from Aldi's. Okay. Yeah. I think I'll probably make me and Delia one maybe tomorrow.
Huh?
I might. All right, y'all. Y'all know I've been sick. And I'm still up under the weather. But I need to clean this refrigerator out, y'all, because stuff is everywhere. It's not too much in here. It just needs to be organized. I want to do this on camera. I don't know, y'all. If I do, I might get like just snippets of it. And yeah. It looks a lot better. I didn't throw away too much. Matter of fact, this is what I kind of got rid of in some more boxes, but I got it all together, and now we living. Okay, we living, because I can't do junky. Yeah, look at my babies.